Washatke, my friends. This video is about WhatsApp privacy. As you know, in this digital era, privacy matters a lot. If you are concerned with WhatsApp privacy, then this video is for you. So let's begin. First of all, open your WhatsApp and click on this three dot icon. After clicking on this three dot icon, click on this setting option. Now click on this privacy option. Scroll down to the bottom. In the latest update of the WhatsApp, here in the bottom you are seeing the option of advanced. So simply click on this advanced option. So after clicking on this advanced option, here are other two options: protect your IP address and disable link previews. So simply I have to turn on these two options. So now my IP address will be protected. If someone knows my IP address, then my device can be tracked. So it is very important to protect the IP address of your device. So in this way we can protect ourselves. So I simply have to turn on these two options. Thank you very much. If you find our video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. If you have any other query, please mention in comments and I will make a video on your query. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.